I decided to go to England for studying electrical engineering. The career path I selected while I was having apprenticeship training with Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation. I came across various engineers. They were mostly from Indian universities and some of them were from British universities. And they also, what I observed or noticed that from Britain, the engineers who came were mostly from Faraday House Engineering College, which is specialized in electrical engineering. So hence I decided to go to England and study there for my electrical engineering course, a duration of which is 4 years. That's why I decided.
So how did you get to England?
As I decided to go to England, and also at the minimum cost possible, because I thought of myself that I will not tax my parents to travel by air or in first class or second class. I thought of a comfortable travel and minimum cost possible. Hence, having checked up all the traveling medias, I thought it will be better for me to go to Bombay from Calcutta by train, and then from Bombay to go to London by ship. Now, on those days, Suez Canal was open and it would take only 12 days from Bombay to London to reach London. Bombay to London, only 12 days through Suez Canal. And that's why that's why I decided to go by train and ship. I was born the year 1936 in Calcutta.
So tell me about your childhood.
Tell
me about your childhood.
You speak with me a little slow, then I will understand. Okay. My childhood is I did my schooling in Calcutta as well as my college. I studied my up to 10th grade in the school in Calcutta, and then I went to the college, because on those days in India, grade 10 was a school leaving examination used to carry out, and thereafter the college. That is, for achieving bachelor's degree, we had to study 4 years. So 2 years in intermediate and 2 years in bachelor. So after completing my schooling, I did that in Calcutta itself, Calcutta University, and completed my Bachelor of Science.
So talk about your childhood, Dadu.
Well, my name is Jayanta Kumar Chatterjee, and we were 4 siblings. I am the youngest one in the family. My eldest one is my sister named Pratima Chatterjee. Then my other 2 brothers, second brother Sanjay Chatterjee and Durgadas Chatterjee, and I am Jayanta Kumar Chatterjee. So we are 4 siblings, and my parents, the father's name was Nagendranath Chatterjee and mother's name was Tulsi Chatterjee.
Just talk about your childhood.
Childhood means, you see, first 5 years, 6 years, I don't remember much.
Okay.
And after that, whatever I did is, apart from doing the schooling, I played football, that is British type football, and then I played cricket. I played, these are the outdoor games, badminton, and indoor game I played, or some sort of Indian games I played, which is known as hadudu. That is, in the court there is 2 partitions. From one partition, one group of 7 players, and another was 7 players. So you have to go and reach to the other partition, and you can touch anyone and then come back. But before you come back, if the group is catch you there, the other 7 boys, whoever catch you and hold you there so that you cannot come back to your own court, then those people who caught you there, they will win. So that was the game we used to play. We have played a lot.